Hello everyone, welcome to Shan Luca YouTube channel. So in this channel we always talk about investing and cryptocurrencies and how to make money online. So if this is something that you are interested in, please consider subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that like button. So I do really appreciate, and that's all I'm asking. Thank you very much. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Today we are going to have a look about Bittorrent. The trigger code is BTT. I'm actually a true believer of this company, and currently I'm holding Bittorrent. So before we come into their website, let's see what are the areas that we are going to cover today. So in this video we are going to have a look about what is BTT and Bittorrent partners, who they are partners with, and BTT chart, and main reason that I invested in BTT. And the fifth is the most important question, that can BTT actually make you a millionaire? So first of all, let's jump into their website and have a look what they are trying to do. So if you are new to cryptocurrencies and if you're just starting, you always can type there whatever the token that you want to research. That make sure that always you visit their website and have a look around what they actually doing. So in this case I am in the Bittorrent website, so it's bittorrent.com. so we can see here Bittorrent X is the world biggest distributed network powered by BTT. And in here we can see there are some beautiful numbers. Actually 200 million wallets that holding BTT at the moment, and they have over 2 billion users that have actually used their product and used their services. And the last one we can see here, the 100 million MAU, and this is one thing that actually impressed me a lot, because 100 million MAU mean monthly active users. Just imagine 100 million monthly active users it's not a joke, right? It's a massive number. So this was like one thing that I was so considering about that much. If they have that much monthly users at the moment, and this Bittorrent gonna build, gonna grow again and again for the future. So, and if you scroll down a bit down, we can see the people who left the messages for Bittorrent, and you can see here Satoshi Nakamoto. So he said, like, for transferable proof of work tokens to have value, they must have monetary value. To have monetary value, they must be transferred within a very large network. For example, a file trading network akin to Bittorrent. So if you are into cryptocurrency, I'm pretty sure you know who is Satoshi Nakamoto. He's the founder of Bitcoin. And so, and you can visit this website. I really don't have to waste your time by reading everything in here. You can have a look what other people said about Bittorrent. And this is another thing that I am mostly about this project, because just look at who are they partnered with: Netflix, Facebook, Google, Twitter, Lionsgate, D-Live. So these are actually not small companies, they are actually big companies. Because what Bittorrent trying to do is they're trying to make a big storage, and they are trying to make a fastest internet and fastest way to transfer big files in one spot to another spot. And when we talk about like Netflix, Facebook, Google, they have massive number of files, right? And it's very hard to use a normal internet connection to transfer all these files and store it. So that is why they are using this Bittorrent product. And also if you search in Google, you will see like couple of years ago Bittorrent actually partnered with Huawei. So Huawei is a Chinese mobile company, and it's actually growing. So BTT is actually growing at the moment. And if we go to the about section, and you can see what actually this company is trying to do and where they based on. So it's based in San Francisco, and Bittorrent is the company behind the largest decentralized peer-to-peer communication protocol for distributing data, large files over the internet. the protocol is responsible for moving significant percentage of the world internet traffic each day. So, and they at this moment they have amazing service, and they have amazing product, and they have 100 million monthly active users, which is actually not small, which is actually very big. So this is like, this is the basic idea about the company. And now let's jump into the coin market cap, and we will see what's happening in there. So at the moment, the time I'm recording this video, the BTT is actually in 46 out of 100. So it's in rank 46, but it's not actually bad. Like, the people start to recognize in this company. And the most important thing here, like, if you follow this for a while, and you can see how many watch lists, it's just growing, keep growing. Because I still remember like 2 months ago when I checked, these numbers were way too low. So at the moment they have 342,339 watch lists saved in this Bittorrent. And as we know, like, what happened to the SafeMoon? SafeMoon actually had more watch lists than Bitcoin. And the popularity is very important when it comes to the cryptocurrencies. Like, we need to more people to know about Bittorrent. So as you can see, like, the numbers are actually growing in here, and it's 46 rank at the moment. So as I promised, let's jump into the charts, and let's see what's happening in there. So I actually draw my chart, like, before I do this video. So you can see, like, since almost like 2020, like, from all this, I think this is like, 2000 from 2019, it was just like, just sideways moving market, like, because the things are getting started, and then we have a last pump in actually 2001, like February 9th, and then just we came back up, because you can see like huge wicks coming out from the top, and these the spinning top candles, like, so much uncertainty in price. And then all of a sudden we push higher up, and we break through that 0.002 level, and then we found another support in here, and then we had another massive push up to the north. So at the moment, like, what will happen is, most of the time people who invested in this area, they're not gonna, like, if they're happy with the beautiful returns they made, not everyone is planning to hold for like 5-6 years. So they actually, what they're doing is, they're taking all the whales, they get out from here, and then, like, the price started to crash down. And what I can see in here, it's just like more into the descending type of wedge. So what happening is, like, price is actually fluctuating in this area, but we have a beautiful support in this blue color area. That's why I put a rectangle in here, and then price came back again, and then pushed back up. Now we are like, we are getting really tight. So at the moment we actually can't anything. Most of the time, this descending pattern, what will happen is, we will come back up and test this level and put another level to make another higher high, or we can just come here and if they break this level, and they will test this level, and then come back and maybe just like, consolidate again, and then come back up. But I really hope, like, because all this with popularity coming up, the BTT will actually got more room to go up. And please make sure, guys, like, I'm not a financial advisor, so all this is what I'm sharing is just my thoughts. So please don't consider anything in this video as a financial advice, because I'm actually not a financial advisor. So let's hope, like, we all love BTT, so let's actually hope it won't like come back to this low, and it will make another leg up very soon. So, and the other thing, it was really interesting for me to get into BTT was because, personally, I never buy any cryptocurrency or any stocks in all-time high, like, because what's happening, like, when the price is gonna go up with this massive bull run, what will happen, the people will take the profit and we will left holding their bag. So that's why I just bought BTT just a couple of days ago, and this price was really interesting to me. And I'm not here to make a quick profit, like, and go away. I believe about this company, and that's why I'm here for at least 3 to 5 years. I will see when the price is coming up, what I'm gonna do. Maybe I will reduce some holdings, but I haven't decided actually yet. But my plan is actually 3 to 5 years. But and another important thing here is we can see that 200 EMA is actually below the price, so it's actually a good thing. If it cross to the other side, so we will see more term of a bearish pattern, but at the moment it's still in the downside. And in the weekly we can see, this is what I'm worrying about. This, like we can see the MACD is actually coming. MACD already went all the way up, and we can see the volume is drying thin and it just starting to crossing. So in the coming days, I feel it like we will see more of a price will come down here and consolidate again here. But I really do hope like it will not break this level and just continue to go up. And this is what I wanted to point out. If you go to the coin market cap and if you search about the top storage tokens by the market capitalization, you can see like Bittorrent is actually in the second place. This is absolutely incredible, like, with the market cap like this. And you can see like Filecoin is actually in the first, but when it comes to the world top storage by the market capitalization, Bittorrent got the second place. And this is one of the another reason why I get into this project and why I believe there is more room like for BT to grow. If we check so when we come check the Bittorrent Twitter account, actually they are growing and they have 451,000 followers at the moment. And every day they actually updating about the project, and they just like updating their community, and people actually engaging. So you can see like so much happening in their Twitter account. So these numbers actually growing, and I am pretty sure that BTT will grow like furthermore. So if we go to the chart like in here, then let me show you like what are the reasons that why I invested in BTT. So the first one is the largest decentralized peer-to-peer distributed network. So that was the first reason I invest. And the second one is 100 million monthly active users. And the third, second largest decentralized storage by the market cap. And the fifth one is the Bittorrent, the Bittorrent current price. So like even Ethereum, Bitcoin, so they were all in like 0.008 levels, 10-cent level, but people actually ignore them. Some people actually believe in that project and they bought it, and they already like millionaires now. So I think like with everything what BTT have at the moment, this price was so interesting to me. So if we pull out our calculator and if we do some calculations, let's say you got $5,000 to invest, and if you put 0. At this market, let's say you got, if you get into at this price 0.05, I'm just like just assuming, I haven't calculated all these last numbers. So you will approximately get 1 million coins or 1 million tokens. So if you can give like 3 to 5 years, that I'm pretty sure Bittorrent actually have potential to hit $1. So if you give 5 years, and if you just forget about, if you are long-term investor like Warren Buffett, and you can have that 1 million. So this is all just like the prediction that, or same like other people doing, and I could be wrong, and I'm not saying like Bittorrent gonna in 5 years is absolutely going to hit $1, but we don't know what will happen. But all of these projects that they have, what they are trying to do, I'm a true believer of Bittorrent. So As always guys, this is actually a very short video, and thank you very much for watching. And if I share with you some valuable information about Bittorrent, please hit that like button. That's all I'm asking, because it will help my channel a lot with the YouTube algorithm. So as always, I will try my best to do more videos and trying to give valuable content to for all my watchers. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you and take care.